guys, I'm Michael and I'm gonna show you how to make a tornado, a hurricane, soap hurricane. Okay, all you're gonna need is some water, a glass, and you're gonna need some soap. Okay, so pour the water up to the to the top of the thing, like right here. Pour four squirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squirts of soap. Mix it up with your finger. Keep on mixing until you get the good mix. And look, if you see it, this little hurricane. Well, it doesn't come up, but look at that hurricane. Okay, well, if you want me to make a tornado, then comment down in the description. I want you to make a tornado, and I'll make one. Okay, so goodbye. Oh, and our like goal is 5 million likes. So bye.